guys, welcome back to my channel with me, Twinkle Chaves, and today we're going to a wedding. I'm just waiting on my friends. Yeah, I don't know where are they. And look, hello. What's in my bag? I bought my heels from Kmart for $10. By the way, congratulations on your wedding, and I wish you guys happiness. But hopefully this turns out so well. I'm gonna cover your wedding. Wow. So let's walk. Going to the place. It's really nice weather. To Rain and Scots. Who are late? Yeah, you're trash. Hi.
Hi, trash.
Hi, trash. Her cake.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Vanilla outside and chocolate inside.
It's my $8 coffee. I don't want to throw it away.
From Lynn. You just got it. That's from Lynn.
It's my first wedding ever. Where's the church?
I'm a virgin. Yeah.
The late Mimi Resurrection. What the fuck is that?
Jiu-jitsu.
The late people.
It's finished.
My house. I'm shy. There's a saying that if it's raining and it's sunny, yeah, what's the English of capre? There's a half person.
There's a half horse and half
human. Getting married.
Getting married
So,
to what?
To a human. There's a free champagne.
It's not for you.
Is it not? Cheers.
So, where's the blue room?
Animals are not allowed.
Where's the blue room?
We'll just wait for the rain to die. Yeah. And the wind to die. My manager, my colleagues,
Hi everyone.
parang gano'n ka na lang po. Parang hindi mo hawak.
Parang ganito. Ang ganda naman ng dress mo. Gusto ko yan.
Naman nakuha yung lakas ng loob mo. Pakita ng legs. It's not recording. So it's actually difficult to film because they have their official videographer. So I just gave up. I'm like gonna be here, gonna enjoy pretty much. Oh my gosh! Hey, Dan! Look at this ass. There's nothing.
Where?
So nice.
What is this?
I'm gonna have it.
Zucchini flour with ricotta cheese inside.
Very good.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers and tables.
This is how you eat.
Oh my god. Oh no.
What the fuck? Why does it always happen to me?
Is that really nice? Really
Oh my
good.
god. It's like, what's your name?
How does it feel not to be married?
Yes.
You need to answer that question.
How long have you guys been together?
Just a couple of months.
7 months.
Are you still in love?
Do you need a translator?
Thank you for your wonderful question, but love is like a wind. You can see it, but you can feel it.
Wow.
Hi, congratulations.
Thank you guys for watching us.
3, 2, 1.
Olive. Ooh, bread. How to eat olive?
It starts and comes.
Yes, for me, please.
Flower girl. It's the grandma of the bride, right? See your face. There's not a thing that I would change. so cute.
You're a big girl. Why are you crying?
Cheers, guys. Thank you.
Nakaahon na tayo sa hirap.
Nakaahon na tayo sa
Sa hirap.
hirap.
Yeah. Nakaahon na tayo sa hirap.
Ang kabuhayan showcase. We just wanted a simple wedding and it's so simple.
What's next for Rainy and Scott?
Babies.
Baby.
One.
Hayaan mo dadalawahin. 1, 2, 3.
No one caught it.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
Say something to the vlog.
Yeah, thank you for having us. Charot. Thank you for everything. Thank you for watching. Enjoy Sydney. Enjoy Twinkle's vlog. Enjoy Twinkle's support. Unsubscribe.
Viewless look.
And the organizer of the month.
Scott.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Bye.
Yawa, habulin ko daw siya. Ayoko nga. Ang sakit ng tiyan ko.